What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. As you all know, with your girl Sarah, and yeah, I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to style your short braids. Yeah, different styles to do with your short braids. I have one here, very cute, very simple. Yeah, so if you haven't already, subscribe, because you're gonna enjoy it and you're gonna be asking for more. Subscribe, like, turn on post notification to get updates when I post a new video, and yeah, let's get into it. So welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. It means so much to me that you support this channel. So what you're gonna need is elastic bands. That is basically what you need. But I grabbed this lace. I don't remember where I got this lace, maybe a shoelace or whatever. I just grabbed it and say I'm gonna use this for the video. So for this first style, you're gonna take some of the hair, yeah, and just, use your elastic bands to band it to the back. Yeah, and boom, so beautiful, so nice. Yeah, and for the next style, you're gonna take your hair up, patch your hair in two and take it up. Use a rubber band, elastic bands to bind it together. Do the same thing to the other side, and yeah, very nice and lovely, really cute. So you can also, bring two strands of hair forward if you want. Yeah, it also looks cute this way. Yeah, for the next style, you're just gonna wrap the hair around. Just wrap it around your hair, just like that. If it doesn't stay, you can use elastic bands to hold it. Yeah, and just, arrange it however you want, and boom. So for this style, you're going to braid the hair back. I think I showed this in my previous video where I showed you how to style your edges. If you haven't watched that video yet, you can go back and watch it. Yeah, you're just gonna braid your hair back. Don't worry about the beads if they are poking out. Just braid it back. Use some elastic bands. I think I used elastic bands to hold it. Yeah, and there you have it. You just want to arrange it. Yeah, you're just gonna arrange it how you want it, and do the same to the other side. So for this style, you're going to, pack your hair up in a high ponytail. Then you're going to use the lace. I think this was why I grabbed this lace, this shoelace, or whatever you want to use. You're going to use it to wrap around the hair. Make sure it's tight so it doesn't, just tight. arrange the hair how you want it, and yeah. Or you can still decide to wrap your hair, the remaining hair around, use some elastic bands to, you know, hold it in place. Or if you have hair pins, you can use those, but I'm working with what I have at home. Yeah, arrange your hair and boom. You could bring a few strands of your hair forward if you want to. Yeah, just like that. And still very, very cute, still lovely. Yeah, so for this next style, you're going to make a bang. I was inspired by Pinterest to make this style, so you're just going to make, you know, take a few strands of your hair forward and just take it to the side, like, you know, when you make your bangs, and you just take it to the side and pack all your hair back. Yeah, simple. Or you could do the same bang. Yeah, I did the same thing here, but pack the hair in two. A simple, lovely style. If you haven't subscribed by now, please, what are you waiting for? Why haven't you subscribed? Please subscribe, support my channel. Yeah, thank you. If you want to leave your hair down, you could still part it, like a center pattern or a side pattern. Yeah, this is a side pattern, and yeah, still cute, still beautiful. Or you could take it back like that. Yeah, everything back, and just leave a few strands of your hair, and there you go. Yeah, so if you have a scarf at home, you can use a scarf. So I just laid down my hair in a center pattern, laid it down and used the scarf, tied it on my head, and yeah, looks simple, very cute. Yeah. Or you can bring two strands of your hair forward, pack the rest with an elastic band, and use your scarf to just, you know, yeah. I've been waiting for so long. I've been waiting on you, baby, my love. Yeah, so just arrange it, and yeah. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.